It's a noisy little log. It's almost like letting air out of a balloon or a squeaky fart. It's fantastic.